Hello, welcome to my second ever vlog and welcome to my living room. I don't intend to do a lot of these vlog type videos. I know people prefer the making, but when there's a little lull in videos, I just want to keep you updated on what's going on. You're not forgotten. I am doing things behind the scenes in my work life as well, so I can't always get a video out when I like. So in true rag and bone Brown style, I will add the times up here, or maybe here, or maybe here, wherever they stand out, of the different sections in this vlog. But what I thought we'd do first is get started on a few stats, because I know there's a few boring buggers out there like me that are interested. So I've been on YouTube now from my very first upload for 2 years, 1 month, which is 25 months. My last vlog was in September last year, and up until that point I had produced 19 videos. So from September to today, not including today's video, I've done a further 21 videos. So around the September, October time, I started taking it a bit more serious in doing regular uploads. So in that time, from the 2 years and 1 month I've been on here, I've had 512,950,000 views. I've had 1,893,548 minutes watched, and as I said, today, which is Saturday 16th of February, I've got so far 1,960 subscribers. Now of late my subscribers has grown considerably, so I'd just like to say thank you to all the brand new subscribers and welcome. And again, of course, thank you to all my previous subscribers that have stuck with me and been with me on this journey from the very start. Your support is greatly appreciated. So Evolution Power Tools got in contact with me again and asked me if I'd like to try out the new R255 SMS sliding miter saw. Of course I said yes. I had the Rage 3, the Evolution Rage 3 sliding miter saw before this one, and I thought that was quite a good saw. So this one, initial impressions, it performs quite well actually. It is an improvement on the Rage 3. So hopefully I'll have a video out about this in the next week or so. They also sent me out this R185 CCSX Plus. It is, let's get the light off, it is a track saw, but it can also be used as a circular saw. So they sent me that as a bare unit, so I went out and bought some track to go with it. These are 2 lengths of 700mm track. The Workzone track that I do have, this won't fit on because it's an odd size. I think this was about £45 for the bag, the 2 lengths of track, and it also came with 2 track clamps, which is quite handy because most places that sell the cheaper track saws and the track, you got to buy the clamps separately. So I was quite happy with that. So I'm planning on doing a 3-part series on both the tools. So on the miter saw itself, it will be this one against the Rage 3. I'm going to do a project solely using this saw, and then we'll do a review at the end. And on this one, it will be versus the Workzone track saw. There'll be a review at the end. I'm still thinking of a project to use this on. I've got a couple in mind, so I just got to get them worked out. So what new tools have I got? Well, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen, I think back in November it was, my local home-based store, which is a DIY chain here in the UK, was shutting down and had lots of tools for 50% off. Because it was a Black Friday, there was an extra 20% off the final price. So I couldn't really say no. I wouldn't normally spend a lot of money like this on tools, but in this opportunity I couldn't say no. So I bought a lot of AEG cordless tools. So I've got a angle grinder, reciprocating saw, random orbital sander, a brushless trim router, which I must say is really good, and a planer. I did also buy the drill and impact driver, which was in a previous video a few weeks back, but that was from somewhere else, not home base. And also I took advantage of that deal and I bought myself a number 5 IRWIN smoothing plane, which I intend to make a shooting board for. So what videos do I have coming up? Well, I don't like to make videos just for the sake of making videos for YouTube. I want to make a video because it's a project I want to make, or it's a review I want people to know about. I have made the odd video in the past where I have done it solely just to get a video on YouTube, and I've not been very happy with it, but I've had to put it out because I've made it and I felt I've needed to make it. So from now on I won't be making videos just for the sake of making videos, but I do have a few coming up that might be a little bit interesting. So I recently bought some length of live edge U, and it looks really great, and I've had it cut down into 3 pieces from the sawmill I bought it from, and they're going to be floating shelves. I've got the work zone track saw review to do. Obviously there's all the Evolution power tool stuff as well. So another thing I want to do is I've got a kettle type barbecue. It's a little bit rickety, so I'm going to take it apart and using some decking and pressure treated wood turn that into a barbecue cart, I believe it's called. I'm going to do my first brass restoration. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see I put a picture of a carbide light that I recently bought on there, and I think that'll come out really, really nice actually. There's also, which I know a lot of people will like, the new and improved version of my gripper. I've changed it a little bit, not too much, and I'm really happy with this one. I think this will be the final design. I also want to do a coffee stroke sofa type table. It's to go down the side of the sofa. I'm going to try and get some storage built into it so I can keep my laptop on it, because at the minute I just keep my laptop on the armrest of the sofa. And also my niece is expecting her first child, so there's a few baby things that I've wanted to make for her, like a memory box and the odd thing like that.
So back over the Christmas period I hit 1,500 subscribers and I decided to do a giveaway. There was 3 prizes. It was a random orbital sander, a set of screwdrivers and some spring clamps. Now 48 people took part in the giveaway. It was limited to the UK only, and the 3 winners were sent their tools, and the feedback I had from them, they were really, really happy with them. So going forward, because I like to give things back to people, because without you guys watching the videos and that, I wouldn't have the support that I have got, we'll do a giveaway I think at 2,500. It'll only be a small one with the view to doing a bigger giveaway further down the road. So if you're interested in that, look out for that one. So that's that then. So I must commend you if you've stuck with this video this long, listening to me dribbling and droning on. Now as usual, when I do a fair bit of talking in a video, I get people comment below asking me where my accent is from. So I'll save you all the trouble. My accent is a Bristolian accent. I actually originate from the suburb of South Gloucestershire. Anyway, that's enough of me for now. So I'll see you again next week with definitely a project video. Cheers.